The Clever Monkey. Lesson 6 of your Butterfly, the English textbook, class 5. Learners, please listen. The lesson continues. Please follow your textbook also. Get ready with your textbook. Once upon a time, there lived a monkey on the bank of a river. Right in the middle of the river, there was a small island with many fruit trees. Sweet and juicy fruits grew on the trees. At a distance from the bank, there was a huge rock in the river. A part of it was above water. One day, attracted by the delicious fruits, the monkey jumped to reach the rock and from there leaped onto the island. You certainly understand what is described here because it's an easy presentation. A monkey lived in the bank of a river. Right in the middle of the river, a small island was. Island means it is surrounded by water, a land surrounded by water. Deep. And thereon many fruit trees were. And the fruits were very sweet and juicy. A huge rock was just near the island and bank. The rock was partly submerged into water. জলের নিচে কিছুটা. A part of it was above water. জলের উপরে. One day, attracted by the delicious fruits, the monkey who lived on the bank of the river jumped to reach the rock and from there leaped onto the island easily. The rock's position was that it was possible to reach at the island, and you see the verb words leap, lived, lived, both in past form and past participle form, lived, and it is in past tense, lived in the text. Grow, grew, grown. Grew is used here past form. Leap, and the near meaning is jump. Jumped and leaped, almost same meaning. And leap is the present form, leaped past, and leaped also in past participle form. And attracted is used here. One day attracted by the delicious fruits. Attracted here, in what form attracted? It is in past participle form because the sentence is presented here in passive form, indirect form. You will learn later active voice and passive voice, and when the sentence is presented in indirect form or passive voice, the verb used in past participle form. Sweet, adjective word, and what is the noun form? Sweetness. Mishti and mishtota বা মিষ্টত্ব. juicy. And you know the noun form juice. Island, a land surrounded by water. Similar word can be used as isle. Deep, generally used in poem. And also you may know archipelago. Archipelago is group of islands actually. Very good. Next. Not so difficult after all, he said to himself. What is not difficult? To reach the island. Yes. Not so difficult after all. After all. In conclusion, the monkey concluded that it is not difficult to reach the island. He said to himself. Soon he was enjoying the sweet fruits from the trees. Since he first went there and thereafter every day he was enjoying the sweet fruits from the trees. There was hardly any other animal there. Hardly, that is scarcely. Almost none was there. If any tiger was there, if any elephant was there, there was danger there. So he was in no danger because there was hardly any other animal there. Hence the monkey decided to visit the island every day. Next. On the far bank of the river, a big crocodile lived with his wife. One day, the crocodile noticed the monkey crossing the river in his unique way, special way. Only one of its kind, the manner how the monkey crossed the river, the manner was unique, very special, unusual. He told his wife, "Did you see him? Let us catch him tomorrow." The monkey expressed his own intention. Let us catch him tomorrow. ধরতে হবে ওকে. Next morning, however, the crocodile found that catching the monkey was not so easy. ধরাও তো সহজ নয়. The monkey landed on the rock and in a flash jumped off onto the island. This was the manner of the monkeys coming and going there. And it was observed by the crocodile. Hiding behind the rock, the crocodile could only watch him. Nothing he could do, only watched. শুধু দেখেই যেত, কিছুই করতে পারল না. He returned home without his catch, without his target, without his prey, শিকার. শিকার না ধরেই তাকে বাড়ি ফিরে আসতে হলো. Here flash, a split moment, in a flash jumped off, a sudden look. Next. Days went by. The crocodile thought of many plans to catch the monkey, but nothing worked. দিন গেল, অনেক পরিকল্পনা চিন্তা হলো মাঙ্কিকে ধরার জন্য, বাট নাথিং ওয়াট, কোনো পরিকল্পনাই কাজ দিল না. The monkey always escaped from the clutches. কুমিরের থাবা থেকে সবসময় নিজেকে নিরাপদে নিয়ে যেত সেই মাঙ্কি. Escape, got away, managed to become free. Clutches, that is tight grip. One day his wife said, You have failed to catch the monkey, but I really want to taste the sweet flesh. তুমি তো ফেল করছো বারবার, কিন্তু আমার তো ওই সুস্বাদু মাংস ওই হনুমানটির খেতেই হবে। So this time you must follow my plan. এখন আমার প্ল্যান শোনো তুমি। The crocodile said, right, tell me the plan then. তাহলে বলো কি প্ল্যান। Next. The monkey jumps on that big rock in the river, said the wife. The wife crocodile now describing her plan. The monkey jumps on that big rock in the river. You must lie still on the rock. When he jumps upon you, thinking you to be a rock, you can catch him easily then. What is his plan? What is the crocodile's wife's plan? The monkey jumps on that big rock, it is the fact. And what the husband crocodile will do? He would lie on the rock. শুয়ে থাকবে। And when the monkey jumps upon the husband crocodile, that is, he would be a part of the rock thereon. Thinking you to be a rock, you can catch him easily then. Thus you can catch him. What an idea! I will get him tomorrow for sure. নিশ্চিত ভাবে কাল আমি ধরে আনব, said the crocodile with joy. Here the words lie. Lie in different meaning. Lie here it is used শুয়ে থাকা, শুয়ে পড়া, to be in a flat horizontal position. And the past form is lay and past participle form is lain or laid, both. And lie, that is both in noun form and verb form, lie is used. Here verb, if lie is verb to say or write something untrue, মিথ্যা বলা. Lay also present form. If lay is in present form, the meaning is to put something gently in a position. আস্তে বিছিয়ে রাখা. Lay, present form of the verb, meaning. And the past form will be laid, and in past participle form, laid. Next. Hello, learners. Your lesson, The Clever Monkey. Continuation of the previous that was demonstrated before you, and get ready with your textbook. Follow. And on previous part we found that there was a plan. The wife crocodile suggested a plan to the husband crocodile, and accordingly the crocodile came to success the plan. And here is the description of the second part. Next morning, as usual, the monkey jumped onto the rock and landed on the river island. Seeing this, the crocodile swam to the rock. সাঁতার কেটে গেল, swim, swam. Next morning, as usual, যেমন হয়ে থাকে, as usual, as regularly happened, the monkey jumped onto the rock and landed on the river island. Seeing this, the crocodile swam to the rock, and the monkey certainly went to the fruit trees and continued relishing the fruits. And the crocodile, what did he do? Swam to the rock. He lay still on the rock. Lay, the past tense of lie. শুয়ে থাকা, he lay, শুয়ে থাকলো, still on the rock, keeping his head and tail well under the water. তার মাথা এবং লেজ জলের নিচে থাকলো. Only his back was above water and it looked like a part of the rock. সেই রকের একটা অংশ হিসেবে তার পিঠ জেগে থাকলো. After having a good meal, the monkey decided to return. After having a good meal, that is, relishing the fruits was her meal. After having a good meal, the monkey decided to return. He looked at the rock. Strange, the rock has become so large. রকটা এত বড় হয়ে গেল, অদ্ভুত ব্যাপার, strange. He thought, it was not so big when I came here. আমি যখন এসেছিলাম তখন তো এত বড় ছিল না, এটাই ভাবলো monkey. Possibly that crocodile is playing a trick again. Possibly, সম্ভবত, crocodile is playing a trick again. Trick, that is a cunning act, একটা ধূর্ত ভাবনা তার প্ল্যানিং করেছে. Act to deceive. Deceive মানে প্রতারণা, প্রতারণা করার জন্য একটা কৌশল সে করেছে নিশ্চয়ই. Possibly that crocodile is playing a trick again. He is lying there pretending to be a rock. The monkey understood that the crocodile is lying there pretending to be a rock. Pretend, that is ভান করা, to falsify, to make fool, বোকা বানানোর জন্য. Next. The monkey made up his mind very quickly. ভেবে নিল কি করতে হবে তাড়াতাড়ি. He shouted, "Hello rock, my dear friend, you look quite big today." Quite, একেবারে তোমাকে খুব বড় মনে হচ্ছে. And you did not welcome me today as you always do. তুমি যেমন করে থাকো আমাকে স্বাগত জানাও. You did not welcome me today. Are you angry with me? রাগ করেছো? Hearing him, the crocodile thought, what did he think? Perhaps this rock really talks to the monkey. Perhaps, সম্ভবত, this rock really talks to the monkey. সত্যি সত্যি কথা বলে এই মাঙ্কির সঙ্গে রোজ. I should speak to him. আমাকেও কথা বলতে হবে নিশ্চয়. Posing as the rock, not as the crocodile. এমনভাবে পোজ করে আমাকে কথা বলতে হবে ভঙ্গিমায় যে রকই যেন কথা বলছে. Otherwise, he might suspect something. He might doubt something. কিছু সন্দেহ করতে পারে না হলে. So he said, "No, no, my friend. You are always welcome. বন্ধু, সেরকম মনে করো না, তুমি সর্বদাই স্বাগত তোমাকে। If you were not angry, why are you looking so different? said the monkey. রাগই যদি না করো, তোমাকে এত আলাদা দেখাচ্ছে কেন? Looking so different? At this, the crocodile got impatient, got restless. He raised his head above water and said, I am not a rock, you stupid. I am a crocodile. I am going to eat you up very soon. আমি রক নই। You stupid. You তুমি বোকা। Monkey, I am a crocodile. I am going to eat you up very soon. এক্ষুনি তোমাকে খেয়ে ফেলবো। The monkey realized that he could not return home like all other days. অন্যদিন যেমন ফিরে যাই, আজ বোধহয় আমার ফেরা হবে না। Realized, that is understood. So he made another plan. He said, My friend crocodile, I am so sorry. Why did you do all this to catch me? আমি খুবই দুঃখিত, এত কিছু করলে কেন আমাকে ধরার জন্য? Why did you do all this to catch me? Just open your mouth wide. চওড়া করে মুখটা খোলো। I will jump straight into your mouth. মুখে ঢুকে পড়বো একেবারে সোজা। The monkey had observed earlier that whenever the crocodile opened his mouth, his eyes would shut completely. The monkey observed that when crocodile opened his mouth, his eyes become covered, closed. But the crocodile did not know this. কুমিরটা তো সেটা বুঝতো না, জানতো না। He was happy at monkey's suggestion. খুশি হলো সাজেশনে, যে আইডিয়া, যে প্ল্যান ক্রোকোডাইল সেটা মেনে নিল। He raised himself on the rock with his mouth wide open. তার শরীরটাকে তুলে ধরল সেই রকের উপরে, মুখটা হাঁ করল, and his eyes closed generally. The clever monkey leaped on the crocodile's head and then quickly jumped back to the river bank. মাংকির মাথার উপরে লাফিয়ে উঠল আর খুব তাড়াতাড়ি নদীর পাড়ে চলে গেল। From the safety of his home upon a riverside tree, the monkey laughed at the crocodile and said, সেফটিতে চলে গিয়ে নিরাপদে তার নদীর তীরে একটা গাছের উপরে গিয়ে হেসে বলল, হোয়াট? You foolish crocodile, you can never catch me. No doubt you are bigger than me, but you are a bigger fool too. বড় হতে পারো আমার চেয়ে, কিন্তু তুমি আমার চেয়ে অনেক বড় বোকা। Meaning, observed, synonym, noticed, suggestion, that is plan or proposal, an idea. Here you follow these words. Let's catch him tomorrow. Let's let us. You have failed to catch the monkey. You have. You have. I will get him tomorrow. I will. I will. You didn't welcome me. Didn't. That is, did not. You are always welcome. You are. You are. If you are not angry, aren't, are not. I am not a rock. I am. I will jump straight into your mouth. I will. These are the contracted form of words. These words, short form, are called contracted form. Thank you.